This is awesome, dude. I just came downstairs and my wife said, the roof is leaking. I said, you know what? I don't even give a shit anymore. And now it's snowing. It's a full-on blizzard. So, whatever. I hope the furnace goes and the friggin' pipes freeze. And there's a foot or two of water in the house. I don't even care. Woo! And a lot of you people will comment on these videos saying, Bob, you look like you're losing it. You're just catching up now? That cat was out of the bag like 50 years ago, bud. I love you all. It can't. Can it get worse? I think it can. Hang in there. Just hang in there. It's coming.